What companies are on your watch list?
The companies that are on my watch list are companies that everybody knows. Right now I've got Google and Microsoft on my watch list. I want to ride the AI train.
What are your must-read daily materials?
I love Seeking Alpha's Wall Street Breakfast because it's free and it takes 5 minutes. I also love the Wall Street Journal.
What's your favorite philism?
My favorite philism is that he had nothing until he was 35 years old, and by age 40 he was a millionaire. And he did that by learning to invest the Rule 1 way.
What is your favorite guru quote?
Kathy Wood said, "Anybody who bets against America in the long term is doing bad." Gosh. Kathy Wood said, "Anybody who bets against America in the long term is doing bad." Bad. Doing bad. Like, this is insane. We're gonna go to the next quote. Okay, because it doesn't have bad in it. The stock market is a mechanism of transferring money from the impatient to the patient, by Warren Buffett.
Who is the perfect candidate for one investing?
Anybody who is looking to make more money and an easier way of doing it.